Our schools are the heart of our community. Maintaining a safe, efficient, and modern learning environment is our #1 priority. This April, our community will decide on Prop SCSD. Let's take a moment to discuss what this means for our students and staff.
Proposition SCSD is a no tax rate increase bond issue that will provide $90 million to improve and maintain our school facilities across the district, again while not increasing the tax rate. These funds will allow us to address critical infrastructure needs across the district. The district maintains 14 buildings with the majority falling between 50 and 100 years of age. To keep them functional, we need to invest in critical updates. These projects include roofing repairs and replacements at multiple schools, renovations to improve accessibility, safety, and modern learning spaces, HVAC updates to improve energy efficiency and comfort, and replacing aging buses to ensure safer commutes for our students. By addressing these issues now, we can save money in the long run and preserve the quality of education in our district.
Proposition SCSD is about creating a safe and thriving environment for our students and ensuring that our schools remain a vital part of our community. All of this with a no tax rate increase for our community. Make sure you vote on April 8th. See stcharlessd.org for more information.